How long? 19, 19 minutes. 19 minutes. Exorcisms. Saw a guy said something about exorcisms. See there where she burped? You got rid of a demon. Isn't that funny? Yeah. Should I introduce you to the man? Ooh. Little girl in pigtails. You're in a picture from a magazine. What's the color on your shirt? White. Black outline. Earrings on. Sitting on somebody's lap. No. It's an old man or old lady. I cut the rest out. Anyway. I have your soul. Once again, it tells you about two other people having souls from pictures. Native Americans say cameras steal the soul of a person. Isn't that funny? The Italians say mirrors steal your souls. Isn't that funny? Yeah. You see yourself in a mirror in a dream that means you're dead. Right? Da 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 da. Got the ball. Yada yada yada. I was gonna say silencing demons on camera is funny to me. They try to know me when I do certain things. Like move and talk, isn't that funny? But like plenty of humans before, I still move and talk. Not caring about the stupid demons. Did someone think I was gonna add a rhyme there? Probably not. one person. Ooh, they catch that stuff, do they? Guess upon song. Easter's coming up, right? Everybody loves Easter. Jesus getting crucified on. Everybody loves that guy. I thought it was funny years ago. Easter fell on April Fool's Day. That was funny. Aha, I didn't resurrect. Oh. Aha. That's nothing. Bear with me. There we go. Who cares? Who cares? It says some duties too. Some duties. Of course it does.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of Ages. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us
Adore him. Ignore him. What? You gotta really pay attention to him, that dude. Or the resurrection. Doesn't matter. my laundry.